As I say right now, at my advanced age, we can be almost as fast as we were when we were in our 20s and our 30s. We just can't do it as often. Hey guys, welcome to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Let's get hopping along today because you're gonna need it. We got a HIIT session. We got 12 intervals, 15 seconds on, 45 seconds off. During those 15 seconds, we are going to be running in place. That is the only exercise for today. Run in place as fast as hard as you can. It's an all-out sprint. I'll explain the principle behind this during the rest intervals. Let's get started in 10 seconds. Remember, as fast as you can. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. All out. Come on. 5, 2, 1, and that's it. So, set number 1 done. We have 45 seconds of rest. This is an actual HIIT workout. I know everybody, including me, post a lot of other HIIT workouts because that's kind of what people want to see. You know, repetitive sessions of dumbbells, squats, exercises, chest exercises, jogging in place. They're called high intensity interval training sessions. This is how it's supposed to be done. Sprinting, jumping as fast as you can. We got 10 seconds left. I gotta catch my breath. We'll continue to talk about this, continue to learn as we move along. Hope this microphone doesn't fall off. We get ready to go in 3, 2, 1, go. Come on. Come on. Whew. 2 down, 10 to go. Yep, that heart rate is getting up there. You think it will be easy, it's only 15 seconds. It's not. I actually consider doing this for 12 seconds. Generally, I do these on the bike for only 12 seconds. So if I'm outside, I incorporate these sprints into my jogs sometimes once a week because it's very hard on the body, so you want to have time to recover. So I'll go for an easy jog, and then maybe I'll do 4 or 5 sprints, or usually around 12 seconds. As you can tell, it's only 15 seconds of work. We're getting on 10 seconds. I'm still catching my breath. But you know what? Times are wasted. 5 seconds, 4, ready, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Come on, faster, faster, more, keep going. And that's it. Yes, so incorporating sprinting into your workout is healthy. You become more efficient. The faster your body wants to go, or the faster you want it to go, the more efficient it naturally becomes. So I notice, for instance, when I go running, if I run at a very lazy pace, I hurt more. And I pick up a pace, not to the point where I'm going all out, but something like a nice, comfortable run. All of a sudden my heart rate comes down, everything relaxes, I become more efficient, even though I'm running faster. Enough talking for now. We are going in 5 seconds. Same thing, guys, nothing different. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Nice and easy. We got this. We're almost halfway there. My heels never hit the ground when I do this. I'm literally sprinting. So like I say, you could incorporate this into your jogs or your walks. If you're going for a walk, if you can't run, that's fine. Pick 12-second intervals and walk really fast for those 12 seconds. Then take it easy. Then walk fast again and take it easy. And when that clock goes off, you start up once again. That clock says go, you go. It's as simple as that. Just like having a coach on deck. Go means go, stop means stop. It doesn't make a difference if you want to do it or if you don't want to do it. If they say go, you go. We're going to say go in about 6 seconds right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, go. Come on, faster, faster, faster. Go. Move, move, move. You notice why I generally do these for 12 seconds? You notice about 3 seconds left, at least for me. That's why I start kind of dying off. So today is a little extra challenging than normal. We're halfway done, I believe. Almost halfway done. We're moving along. So yes, incorporate sprinting into your workouts. Very good cardiovascularly. Builds muscle. You guys notice 100-meter sprinters? They're pretty jacked and they're pretty in shape. At least they're in shape, you know, to go 100. I don't know if they can run 3 miles, but that's a different story. But try to incorporate this once a week, once every 2 weeks. Speaking of incorporation, 3 seconds. 2, 1, go. Come on, move it, move it, move it, move it. Two, one, then stop. All right. Getting there, halfway done. Keep going. So yes, throw these into your workouts once a week. It's not a lot of work, it's 10 minutes, but it does require recovery. So I wouldn't recommend doing a really hard running training session the following day. I just turned 53. As I'm filming this, I'm 53 in 1 day. When you're watching this, I'm gonna be 53 in 2 days. So, you know, longer recovery time the older we get. We get going in 10 seconds. We'll continue talking about this in about 20 seconds from now, after this session is over. Ready? 3, 2, 1, sprint. Come on, faster. Go, go. So yes, I'm 53 in a couple of days. In 15 seconds, I could probably cover about, what, 80 meters, 82, 83 yards. So that's what my sprinting session is. Anyway, somebody asked, because I posted a short on my birthday, what I did for my birthday was very exciting. 10 a.m., dentist appointment. Got that done. 11 a.m., I'll let you guys know after this next session. But 10 a.m., dentist appointment, couple of fillings, we're good to go. Paul feels better, looks better, nicer smile. 10 seconds, we're going again. Gotta catch my breath, stop talking for a second. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Fast, 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 bounce quick. Just realized that the sound on this video might be completely screwed up because this microphone is really bouncing up and down. Anyway, 10 a.m. dentist, 11 a.m. Went grocery shopping for my mom. Took the groceries to her house. It was my birthday. We hung out for about an hour and a half. That was that. And came home, had lunch. And then crawled up in the attic and fixed the attic exhaust fan. It was nice, 130 degrees in there. Same temperature as you probably have in Texas right now. So for you, it would have been nothing. For me, broke a good sweat. Let you know what I did after that. After the next session, we're just getting started in 5 seconds, guys. We only have 3 left. We got this right now. 3 left, 4 left, something like that. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Sprint, come on. 2, 1. All right. Catching my breath. Here we go. After I fixed this fan, went for a little 40-minute jog. I wanted a little buffer for the calories I was gonna intake at dinner that night. Ran 4.5 miles, good for about 600 calories or so. Afforded me a couple glasses of wine without feeling too guilty about it. And that was that. Went out for dinner at night with my family. And here we are the next morning filming the video. All right, 10 seconds left. We have 2 minutes of working out left. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Quick, quick, come on. Don't slow down. Pick it up, pick it up. And that's it. All right, we got a couple more left. Work and work. Two more, we got this. 10 down, 2 to go. So yes, please do incorporate high intensity work, real high intensity work into your workouts. Once a week, once every 2 weeks. Little is better than nothing, but be careful and don't do too much. As I say right now, at my advanced age, we can be almost as fast as we were when we were in our 20s and our 30s. We just can't do it as often. And that is the truth. So make sure you recover well, you hydrate, you get a lot of quality food, and then you can come back for our next workout. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Come on, faster, 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 faster. 2, 1, and that's it. Whew. One more left. This microphone's completely loose. The sound of this video might be crap. Don't matter. You guys follow the clock on the screen. I hope you did your sprints. I'm talking less and less because I'm more and more tired. So thankful this is the last one. 12 of these is a lot at this pace. All out. We're getting going in 20 seconds. We have one left. All out. Leave it all out on the table on this one. This is it. This is the final sprint of the day. Let's get this done. You guys ready in 10 seconds? Catch your breath right now. Slow the heart rate down. You're on those starting blocks. You ready to go in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Come on, push it faster. 5 seconds. 2, 1, and that's it. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50 for what actually is a real HIIT workout. Not a YouTube workout, it's a YouTube workout, not a YouTube HIIT workout. What they and YouTube quantifies as HIIT, or a bunch of trainers up there. This is actually how you do HIIT. Short bursts of super high intensity. 15 seconds might have been a little long. Like I said, I usually go for 12, followed by a long recovery period. All right, now that I have my breath with me, kind of, sort of. My name is Paul. This is Fit After 50. Workouts come out Mondays and Thursdays. For 4.5 years running now, we have not missed an upload. I hope you've been here with me the entire time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys during your next workout.